There's some pink shit on this wall. It is pink shit. I have sand.
In your coolito?
Not my colito. My fucking molito. Is this the four? It's a four. Yeah, make a left. Listen.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
You don't do that. You almost just knocked yourself out.
I'm gonna pee my pants!
We're good. We're good. We're good. I'm going nowhere. Listen. What just happened was, I just took on an Atlantic Ocean. Motherfucker ain't have shit for me. I'm gonna go warm off. And she snorted. She snorted. Kristen Hempel snorted. Wait. She snorted. Wait. Come out. Totally snorted. Very unprofessional as a journalist.
Guys, let us.
And Mike DeRico conquered the Atlantic Ocean. Come on, man. It was like the sleep. What do you mean? Jump in?
He went in the ocean completely in underneath.